Everyone loves to hear great feedback, and really, we're no different. When we receive a 5-star review, we just want to shout it out from the mountaintops. That's why we're so happy to share this one with you right now. We never get tired of seeing great posts about these types of experiences online. We are thrilled to know that we've made a lasting impression. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. Come experience the difference. We're glad you had the chance to come and visit us today. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.